those numbers. What is that doing? This is great. It's in fucking Chinese. Wow. Because I want to have somewhat consistent lights. Like, I don't want the color scheme to change too much. But it does look dope. You know, it looks like we're doing that fucking magic, that cash cab, trivia cab. You ever seen that thing where the guy asks all the trivia questions? Cash cab. Look at this. Look, this is different levels. And hold on, stop. This can even go kind of upright. Hold on, watch out. Say that. Quiet. Check this out. That even gets a little tighter if you need. Look at this. I was getting mad. Look at this.
Oh, we need the little thing.
I had 2 tripods. This one's kind of annoying though. But look at this.
Yeah, the thing.
This is the fucking phone one. You need the other one. I'll go get it. Hold on. I'll go get it.
That's how it works.
Every place he go, my back rings in the face of phone.
I don't know.
What's up?
How do you guys know each other?
Listen.
Go nuts.
Yeah? Yeah.
Kool-Aid man through the wall, I might bust.
I know her.
And I'm aging like, what the fuck is the rest?
All right. I think we should have the song playing though, even though I'm doing the passed out shot. I'm like playing. I'm getting a little fucked up.
I already did that. I might try to steal his ring or something.
Yeah, like that would be funny. Such a good idea. Stealing from me is a good idea.
Look. V-bags in a private jet. Ladies know my name when I step on set. I just fucked a bitch in the press reset. I'm out, following the kid every place he go. Done my back rings in the face, I might bust. Got 10 bitches in the back of my bus. And I don't one of them is the kind that I trust. The president in the middle of the summer, you gon' cause he's straight white stunning. And you got a cash in the head and just got the check. It's the rest. Yeah. What the fuck is the rest?
By the way, Jamal said he wanted to be in the back. So, I mean, if I can clear this all.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, some Rose Park type shit. But okay.
How'd you guys know?
He
started recording.
Yeah, all right.
Where's the phone? Okay. Are you hopping in here?
Yeah.
Let's do it, babies. In your own ways, vibe as hard as you fucking can.
Okay.
Sound vibes. Jesus Christ.
Sound vibes.
Fuck!
And the ink we tried.
And the wig looks good, right?
Yep.
Hey!
Let's go!
I don't know how to stop recording.
You
got
it? Look really quick.
Should we do it up?
Either,
Should I hit that button?
Yeah. Even if Cairo wants to get out real quick and just click.
Yeah.
He's co-director.
What do you want me to do? Oh, okay, we're doing it again.
I also say Jameezy.
Jameezy.
Jameezy's my favorite.
Okay.
Jameezy. In the vlog, I was like, are you going to show yourself? And he's like, Jameez. And he's like, it looks so funny. It's so great. All right, gang. I'm going to hold him up like
I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna remember this time.
And the ink we tried.
Yeah.
Everybody's like,
what the fuck is the rest? Oh. What the fuck is the rest? Hey. Tell him when the music starts to get in. Close it. Hey, they don't wanna. Hey, y'all. What the fuck is the rest? Hey, now I have an idea.
Cool, yeah.
Before you go, Joe, I have one idea. You good? I'll do it. All right.
We just saw in the movie. You know,
Yo, gang, boys. Yeah. I wrote this record, this rap song. You gotta tell me if it's fresh.
All right.
Check it out.
Let me start, right?
Go,
You throw hands at it, you can throw hands way at it.
What the fuck is the rest?
Let's go! Yeah! Gang. Joe, you're rapped?
Yeah, I was jamming.
No, that's
I was
the
like,
term. You're rapped.
yeah, rap.
Oh, you
right?
know, yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
You're rapped for the day?
Absolutely. When it's gonna be ready?
Next Friday it'll be out. So I'm gonna rap this song this time, and you guys are completely in your own thing.
Okay.
You're only interested in whatever you got your phone, and your lollipop, whatever the fuck. You want to shoot it?
Yeah, and then even if you want to change sides,
Oh,
so
okay,
like
what
while you're doing like what you're looking at the phone, you can also change.
Oh, like turn my back, like
turn. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, with the shades on, dog. Like I'm telling you, this is what you need to be doing.
No, he becomes this.
This is his natural. I mean, look at this. Look at this.
I gotta be careful when I throw this.
Yeah.
This is your natural form,
It takes
bro.
over me, and my ego does get a little bigger.
I love it. All right, so let's shoot this fucking thing. All right, dude,
And everything been going at a good time.
I'm telling you, I'll be honest, Yoni. This is the form we need Jamal to be in at all times.
Absolutely.
I know he does a lot of other stuff.
A lot.
This version of him is the best.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
He's
I
gonna see
agree.
that.
Very
This is the
good.
divine form
Yes,
of him.
yes.
Because I can see he's like kind of getting like this, and it's exciting.
Yes.
It's so exciting.
Yeah, what is it? Yo. Look. Hey, my bags and I cast these checks.
Yes,
Straight to the top and I'm
yes.
back with the best. Shoot at the head, I don't care about your vest.
You too.
Where the fuck is the rest?
Where the fuck is the rest? Focus the rest, mate.
Pay me now.
You fucking pay me. You get you on the ends, mate. It's gonna be a fucking problem. You're gonna be on the street with your pants around your ankles and the lolly in your mouth.
Wanna know what's next. What's up? Just heard you do the fuck up. Got 10 bitches in the back of my bus. I don't wanna damn is the kind that I trust. Wanna know the stress. Pack my bags and I cash these checks. Straight to the top and I'm back with the best. Shooting at the head, I don't care.
Oh my god, dude. Yo.
Yo, get out before you get too boxed up.
I can't. Ah!
Is there a way that you could do it all the way from the back seat?
Okay, let's do that one too. Well, let's just get me crawling now while the song's playing. We'll pretend the song's playing. We'll just take the shot right now.
Okay.
I'll cut it up later. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna just crawl into the seat. I'm gonna get. You got the glasses? Great. You got the glasses?
Yeah, there's two kinds.
Alright, great. Now here, turn the car on. Let's do one performance shot. Let's do one performance, not a performance, but I'm gonna do all the me like by myself. Everyone's left the car already.
Yes.
Okay, let's do
Do you
it.
need
You wanna just
any
go
props?
cut, restart?
Look, hey, what's next? LV bags in a private jet. Oh, pull up on the whip and she said, let's you do the fuck up. Go nuts. While I might bust. Got 10 bitches in the back of my bus. Like a munchkin. Because I don't even sleep no more.
You make any progress?
That was awesome.
Did you save a contact as my agent? Are you calling
Yes.
yourself?
It's just no. It's just a random agent.
What do you mean,
It's just a random number.
Are you calling like an agent?
No, it just says my agent, so you can put my agent.
Okay, let's go. I love the idea.
Yeah. Just be on the phone the whole time.
Okay, I'm gonna be on the phone, but I gotta pull out my.
No.
I'm not pulling my. That's what I said.
We're not gonna do it. Just look at the phone and say it.
Where the fuck is the rest? Oh, yeah. Fuck is the. Where the fuck is the rest?
Perfect. Yeah. That,
Yes! I can't do the box.
She gonna see your boxes tonight. All right.
She gonna see your box. Cause you got a couple songs and a couple more coming. See if you can just play that part. It's like literally just play it and zoom up like fucking literally 1 minute. Oh, you got it.